Good evening, students. Welcome in Sanjivani Education Group. Welcome back, students. Hope you all are fine and keeping you healthy. Okay, welcome in English class. Before going to our topic today, I just want to give a brief information about. So, you are preparing. You are preparing for 5th standard CBSE and Olympiad examination like IO, and also you are preparing for scholarship examination, Maharashtra state level scholarship examination. For all three examination, English subject, whatever the syllabus has designed, I just make a comprise in a 4 unit. And these 4 units are first vocabulary, second unit word grammar, third unit that is language study, and fourth is reading and writing skill. So I directly start today from unit 2, that is word grammar. So let's start our topic today. I selected today the topic is article. Actually it is a very basic grammar. You know about article. Yes. Basically an article is an adjective. Like adjective, article modified nouns. Let's see the definition of article. Articles are used to point out or refer to noun. A and the are the articles. English has two articles, a and an and the. These are two types of articles. Let's see the types of articles. The types of articles are definite and indefinite. So, indefinite articles a and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular or definite person, place, or things. As an umbrella, a boy, and you can see as a book. So these are indefinite articles. A and an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. And next type of article is definite articles. The is called definite article because it always points out some particular subject, and the is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. So when, as you see that when you are using in the sentence any city name, country name, we use the before the that specific noun. As example, you can read, this is the boy who had stolen my purse. Okay. Now, there are some rules how and when we are using these articles. So, for rule number 1, the rule for a, that is a is used before a consonant. Consonant, dear students, you know about consonants. Consonant means the 26 alphabets are there. From 26 alphabets, only 5 A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 are vowels and rest all alphabets are known as consonants. So before a consonant we use a, that is a. Also before a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like a consonant, like a 1 rupee coin, a European, a utensil. So it is very important thing. Be careful. Listen again. When we are any kind of sentence, it start with consonant, but we are using A. But when any type of vowel sounding like a consonant, we also use A before the word. If sentence is spoken empathetically, if sentence is spoken empathetically, Rome was not built in a day. So in that sentence also we use A. Next rule is an. An is used before the word beginning with vowel. Like example, an apple. Before a word beginning with consonant but having a vowel sound like an MBA, an R, an honest man. Here are H is a consonant, but H is silent. That's why this pronunciation start with O and R. And here also an MBA. MBA also the sound like a MBA. So again, whenever the sound like a vowel, that time we using an before the word or noun. Okay. The next rule is for the. The is used before the word denoting a particular person or thing. For example, let's go to the cinema. It is a particular thing we are mentioned in the sentence. That's why before cinema the word is the. Article used in this sentence is the. Before the names of the following: seas, rivers, gulf, canals, deserts, the Red Sea, the Persian Gulf. So we use the because they are very specific. So the is used to refer to specific or particular noun. Before the titles also we use the great. And before the word denoting numbers. Weight cloth is sold by the meter. When we are mentioning about any kind of number or weight, we use the. Cloth is sold by the meter. So meter is a measure or weight. Number, weight, measure. Before that we use the. So let's practice some words. An umbrella. Here again you can see, here is the word noun start with U, that is vowel. That's why we use an. The Ganges. It is the noun. It's a proper noun. And it is a specific particular noun. That's why we use the Ganges. A boy. Here again, it is a non-specific. Boy is a common noun. That's why a use before boy. An honest person. As I explained before, H is a silent in that word honest, and the word pronunciation start with O. That's why we use an before honest. Honest person. A 1 rupee coin. So these are the examples for article. Hope you understood all this concept of article. So I gave you one worksheet to solve. So please check it out on WhatsApp group which I have sent it after the video. Okay, take care. Bye. See you.